Hello, welcome to this video. We will solve HTML injection stored block challenge. So select the challenge and click on head button to open the challenge page. Here we can notice one input field and submit button. So we can provide our input and it will be stored here. So let's provide the input and click on submit button. So we can observe the provided input is reflecting here. And as this challenge is related to HTML injection, we can provide a basic HTML tag like h1 and click on submit button if just to confirm if it is executing. So here we can notice the provided payload executed successfully. So as this is low security level, there is no validation implemented and it will be accepted by the application and it will execute as well. Now, if we convert a challenge to medium and click on set button, here we can notice the previously provided payload reflecting as it is. So it is not executing. And if we change the security to high and click on set button, we can notice it's still it is showing as plain text. So first we can try encoded format. So if we provide this payload, it will reflect as it is in the medium and even in the high security level. So set security level to medium. And instead of providing payload directly, we can use extension and convert it into encoded format. So this is URL encoded format of the payload. So go to page and provide the encoded format, click on submit button. And we will notice this is still not exploitable and validation is implemented even for medium security level. And if we right click and go to inspect for this particular user input, and in the element section, we can see the content. So if we click on edit as HTML, so here we can notice the provided payload converted into encoded format. So instead of less than symbol, it is showing ampersand LT semicolon. So due to proper input validation, this payload is not getting executed. However, in low security level, we can provide HTML tag and it will execute. So we can confirm in the medium and high security level, proper validation is implemented. So next step, like if any particular application is vulnerable to HTML injection, attacker can try phishing attack, like they can create a fake login form and they can control that form basically. So the moment user will provide any input, they will get the data in their server. Or if they can execute a stored XFS payload, then they can do session hijacking as well. Why it is possible, because this is stored HTML injection. So even after logout, if user will visit this page and they will notice this provided payload is executing. So assume this block section is accessible to other user as well. So the moment other user will come to block section and visit this particular blog, it will execute in their login session. That's why stored kind of attack is dangerous. So challenge solved successfully. Thank you.